welcome back to the channel. My name is Arjan. So as you can see, I just had a brilliant breakfast and I'm on my way now from the tip of North Holland to IJmuiden. Today is going to be a day full of flowers and dunes. I'm about to leave my super friendly host for the night that I found on the site Vrienden op de Fiets, or Friends on the Bike, if you will. It's a rather nice platform that you can use if you're a bikepacker or backpacker. So for 22.50 per night, including breakfast, people will set you up in their spare bedroom or even a caravan in the garden. And yeah, I used it 3 times on this trip and was super happy with it. So if you're already familiar with things like warm showers, I think this should be right up your alley. I would highly recommend it. There's a lot of flower cultivation here in the tip of North Holland, which is super nice to see. Unfortunately, it's very cloudy and overcast today, but yeah, that can't be helped. It was surely very nice to cycle along these flower fields. So with the obligatory selfie out of the way, I made my way to Bergen aan Zee, where a little climb awaits me. I'm not sure if you're aware of this, but there's this website called bigcycling.eu that actually lists 1,000 calls, mountains, high and low, and obviously low in the Netherlands. I mean, as the name suggests, we don't have any mountains to speak of, but I love big cycling because it gives me an opportunity wherever I am in Europe, that is, to go ahead and try and climb one of these mountains. It's a completely arbitrary list, but I love the idea. I've now about 100 under my belt. I have no ambition whatsoever to ever get to 1,000. I mean, some of them are in Iceland or Ukraine or whatever. Very difficult to do that. If I do a 30 a year, I'd be well over 80 before I get finished. So that's nearly impossible. But there's a little dune here that is, well, it's not on the official list because in addition to the official 1,000, as you can see here on the map, there's a few others that are national climbs, and this one is on that national list. So, and it's also a perfect place for lunch. So here I go. So this was a really nice find. I almost feel embarrassed not knowing about this before. This is called the Kwal, or jellyfish in English, and is a place where after 50 kilometers of pipeline, water from the IJssel Lake, gets here and gets filtered through the dunes in a natural manner. And that way 25 billion liters of water annually gets filtered. So that's absolutely massive. Fantastic.